Peace. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. So, it is gift giving time. It is Mother's Day time for me right now, and I am making gifts with Scentsy Products. And that is the reason why I joined Scentsy in the first place, because I wanted the products to make gifts for different holidays. So, what am I doing this holiday? I'm using the products that I had on hand, and I'm putting other little things with them to make really cute items for Mother's Day. So this is the church warmer, and this container is from the Dollar Tree, which is $1.25 now. But anyway, I put a bar with it and a little angel bear that I already had. She had a little halo on her head. I thought that was cute, and it went with the theme of the church, right? Another one I put together is this warmer here, and they had a sale on this warmer about a couple of months ago, even though this was the warmer of the month, 1 month. And when you can get things on sale, that's a better deal for you. And Love Cooking is what's on this dish towel, and I put a couple of oven mitts in there, and this is the one with the little silicone back, so it's, you know, it's better than just a plain cloth one, so your hands won't get burnt. And I added a bar that coordinated with the basket. Sometimes I'll leave the bar out and I'll let them pick their own. This one here, I left the bar out. No, I didn't. I put the bar in this one here. I put simmer down and just roll with it. That's what the dish towel said. I thought that was so cute, such a cute saying. And then the warmer says, be kind, right? Just a great little theme to go together. And there's the little hand towel, dish pot holders. Pot holders, to put a pot holder on each side. And again, this is from the Dollar Tree, which is now the $1.25 store. And it's metal, okay? And I put a Simply Vanilla bar in this here because, I mean, it goes with cooking. So that's why I put that one in there. And, of course, I do baskets with buddies in them. I did a bunch with buddies in them for Easter. But this one I thought was cute. A guy came up and told me, oh, he saw a Miss Piggy basket at Easter time. He said, oh, my mother would just love that because it has Miss Piggy in it. I'm like, let me do another Miss Piggy basket. So I tied her legs together so her legs would stay crossed, okay, because she's fast. All right, her legs need to be crossed. Love Miss Piggy. And I put a wall fan in there with a pod. I just picked something that coordinated with her dress. Coastal Sunset is kind of popular this season, so I put that in there. And a water bottle or juice bottle, whatever you want to make it, put in it. And the instructions is in the box. I put the box in there with all the with the cord and information how you work it, and then some little flip flops in the back. Okay, so yeah, so the gift really is Miss Piggy and the mini fan and the pods. Okay, I just threw in the cup to kind of fill it in. Okay, so the Feast of Resistance basket though is the Little Mermaid basket. So she is a limited edition buddy, and I have her pack in there along with all the Make a Splash products except for the body spray and the sugar scrub. I just did the Scentsy soap along with the Moisture Melody set. So these are just some of the baskets that I did for Mother's Day, but you can be creative and put together whatever you want, and you just get your cellophane and you tie your bows, and isn't that cute? So, okay, I hope you guys have success with your Scentsy business, and peace. Assalamu alaikum.